Hi everybody, Chris and Marina here and welcome back to our channel.
Hi guys.
Tonight we are here in Anaheim, California at the Disneyland Resort, and we figured we'd take a break from all these Halloween scare events that we've been doing for the last couple weeks, kind of cleanse our palate, take it easy, and enjoy ourselves some Disneyland. And we invite you to join us on this episode of The Walker Chronicles. All right, so we're through security, and before we head into the parks, we're gonna make a quick stop at the Lego store.
If you guys have the boxes, you'll need those just for a quick second. Lay them in front of the screen, and then it'll like scan it. All right, and then you don't need the boxes for the rest of the time.
Oh, okay.
So then you're gonna go ahead and hit the blue arrow. And then this is going to be the name that goes on the brick. Once you guys hit enter for this, you won't be able to change it. So you can either put your name or you can name your minifigure.
Okay. What do you just put our names?
Alright. And then you're going to have 4 separate sections. You're going to have presets, you're going to have drawing and painting, and then you're going to have stickers, emojis, and then text. So you can layer them. However, with the presets, you won't be able to like change the color of the shirt. But you can paint over it to like change the color of it in a way. My example with that is there's a hockey jersey, and we're in Anaheim, so it's automatically a Ducks jersey. I'm an LA Kings fan, so I took that jersey and then I just like painted over it with black and purple instead. So yeah, you guys can do whatever you want, just as long as it's appropriate. And then you guys do the front, and then you'll hit this button, and then it'll go to the back. And then once you guys are done, let me know, and I'll approve it before you hit this button.
Okay, you got it. All right, now that we've printed, we have to go personalize and pick out some custom parts from the bin over here. Okay. Oh, we get one from each. Oh, geez. Legs. They're legs. They're legs, yeah.
Some faces. Look at this face. Oh, look at that's me.
That's you. That was perfect. And there it is, printing our custom graphics onto our Lego figures. All right, let's put my pants on. Just take my custom brick off, and there we have it.
And there is the finished product. And yes, that pretty much looks like me in the morning with the hairbrush. Absolutely. This is too.
Bigger than your head.
It is. This is so cute. I love it. All right, everyone. So before we get into the park, we are doing a little giveaway. We are giving away this Shoulder Zero Plush. Now, these things are literally flying off the shelves here at the park. Now, you don't need to be subscribed, although we would appreciate it. All you need to do is type the word zero in the comments and you will be entered. Now, you do have to have a US-based address, and if you win, we will contact you and ask you for that information. But as of right now, if you're interested in winning little Zero here, go ahead and type the words zero down in the comments. Good luck, everybody.
All right, so we decided to head into Disneyland proper. Marina, where do you want to go have dinner at?
Oh, Plaza Inn?
Plaza Inn sounds fantastic.
Let's see if they can accommodate us. So.
Let's see, because some fried chicken sounds really, really good right now. Main Street is pretty busy, and it is not parade time or not fireworks time or show time. As you can see, it is pretty busy here though. Ooh, they have pot roast too. Oh, decisions. I don't know. I'll have to be forced to make a decision at the moment of getting to the counter.
What are you gonna get?
chicken.
You're gonna get chicken?
I'm gonna get chicken.
2 chicken, please.
2 chickens, please. All right, it's 8:30 p.m. on a Wednesday night, and we just walked up to Olas Cantina, and they're gonna seat us right away is what it looks like. This is definitely not the normal.
Oh, wow.
That was a 2-minute wait.
Score!
Score! So for my cocktail, I ordered the Takodana Quencher, which includes Bacardi Dragonberry Rum, Bull's Blue Curacao, Simply Orange with Pineapple, and Kiwi flavors. All right, now I'm gonna try my Takodana Quencher. That's really good. It tastes like immediately like it's gonna be incredibly sweet, and then it tapers off really quick. It's a little odd, but really, really flavorful. I don't know exactly how to describe it. Marina will have to try this one. But literally, the second you get in your mouth, it's super sweet, and then as soon as you swallow it, there's no more sweetness. It's very odd, but very good.
Okay, my turn for the Takodana Quencher. Smells sweet. Yeah, it is super sweet up at the top, and then once it gets past your lips and your tongue, not sweet. That's kind of interesting. And I ordered the Fuzzy Tauntaun, which is Ciroc, peach vodka, Bull's peach schnapps, Simply Orange, topped with tangerine, pure cane sugar, buzz button tingling foam. My tongue is tingling and a little bit of a numb sensation. No, I'm good. But what's the tingle?
I hope it's just dirty water from the fish tank over there. We rarely wash our glassware, so that's what it looks like we do.
The water comes from right there for this cocktail, he says. That little frog-looking thing makes this water.
And that's why my tongue is tingling and numb, because there's probably some infection happening, I don't know, but this is really good. But it's a really weird sensation, but really fun at the same time.
All right, I'm gonna give Marina's cocktail a try, see if I get the tingling sensation. Holy cool. Now my tongue and my upper lip.
Yes.
I didn't taste it at first, but now I can definitely. Now, what is that?
I don't know, but it's fun.
It is fun. That is a good drink. And it's the drink that you'll remember for quite some time, I'm guessing, because of that. That's really good. To the Spire. Can you hear it, everybody? It sounds like they're testing Big Thunder Mountain. Can't wait. Can't wait to see the refurbishment.
Now, it's not scheduled to reopen until next month, but they have to test it.
Yes, they do, and you can hear it going inside. All right, I've got a great idea. Let's go get on Casey Jr.
Yeah, let's do it.
Woo, let's go.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, I, your circus ringmaster, now present for you the one, the only, Casey Jr. In a moment, he is going to take the wild animals. That's you.
Casey Jr.'s coming down the track with a smoky snack. Hear the puffin' coming round the hill. Casey's here to thrill every jack and Jill. Every time his funny little whistle sounds, everybody hurries to the circus grounds. Time for lemonade and Cracker Jack. Casey Jr.'s back. Casey Jr.'s back. Every time his funny little whistle sounds, everybody hurries to the circus grounds.
All right, so we just finished up with Mr. Casey Jr. and had way too good of a time. I think because we enjoyed our cocktails from Olga's Way too much.
Maybe one too many fuzzy tauntauns, I don't know, but that was fun.
That was a really fun Casey Jr. ride, is all I'm saying. I think at one point I actually started singing, which...
I think we both started singing.
We both did start singing.
And a little hand dancing, I don't know.
Hand dancing. That was a good time. I'm gonna regret this. Marina has talked me into this.
It's gonna be fun, I promise.
Uh-huh, we'll see. They could tell. She's taken the red one.
I found one!
I think she's gonna push that button again.
I can't believe I talked you into this.
Yeah, it must be the booze. Stupid Olas Cantina. And
You ready? You ready? Here we go.
there we go.
See? It's easy peasy, right?
Oh my God. I'm just gonna look at you the entire time. Let's film these people. And then let's film, there's Marina. Can we get all?
Come on now.
It's fine.
As long as you don't turn the wheel, it's fine. Look at this. Oh, you're turning the wheel. What are you doing?
I figured I'll try to get you sick if I'm gonna get sick.
No, don't turn the wheel. That's the whole agreement. We weren't gonna turn the wheel.
Oh wait. Turn this way to go faster.
No. Oh my God. No. No, we agreed not to turn the wheel.
Please visit us again.
Aww. I should.
Oh my God. Oh. You're fine. Stop it.
I'm fine. All right, so we just finished up with our evening at Disneyland.
It was a quick trip, but a fun trip. We got a lot done.
We did.
And surprisingly, Olas had a space for us.
Yeah, we got in there and it took about 2 minutes to get into Oga's, get ourselves a cocktail, go get on Casey Jr., get on the teacups, which not thrilled about, but we did it anyway. And we had ourselves some fried chicken at the Plaza Inn. So it was a complete night that we were able to do in a very short amount of time.
Yeah.
Oh, and let us not forget our customized Lego figures.
That's true.
So we got all that done. After work, I have time to get to bed and still be up early in the morning for work.
So we hope you had a good time, and if you did, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel, as it really helps our channel grow. And until next time, we will see you on the next episode of
The Walker Chronicles.